how to use DeepSeek for research. DeepSeek can be used for research by leveraging its capabilities for literature review, data analysis, and writing support and coding assistant as well. Now, researchers can access DeepSeek model through its web interface, a compatible application like Node GPT or its API for more advanced as well. So basically, DeepSeek, what you need is you need to install app onto your device. You could also use the desktop version of it, or you could also use the app as well. So if you want to use the app, you want to install, create your account. In my case, I've done both of these, so I'm just gonna open this up. Now here you could see this is the free version of it. You could also get the premium ones, and now at the bottom you could see the search bar or the message bar. Right here you just need to type in help me with research or give in the prompt. So let's see, this is the one. Now basically what you need is you just need to go ahead and read the instructions, and what you need is you could go ahead and get the hint idea or whatever that you need and accordingly provide in the information, and it is actually going to help you out to do a research. So you could also, or DeepSeek can also analyze and summarize large volumes of academic papers and document. For example, if you have to write a literature review, right? So you need to read a lot of articles. So basically, if you don't have a time, then what you could do is just copy paste in the link of the following article, and you just go ahead and type in the message, what actually information that you're looking for, and you could just go ahead and find in the information that you're actually looking for or extract the key findings, authors and publication years, all that stuff, and this way it can help you as well. Now next, if you want to analyze data and organize, so the models can process the structured data including information extracted from text or uploaded file as well. So you just have to really be careful while using the prompt, and you just have to inform the prompt, or you just have to be clear with the prompt, and you will be able to get your message or your information exactly what you needed. And DeepSeek can also help in writing academic by generating outlines, improving sentences structure as well. So with that being said, we've come to an end. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.